Affirmations to attract what you want. And Law of Attraction. The Law of Attraction teaches us that our thoughts and emotions have the power to shape our reality, and by harnessing this power, we can draw into our lives the very things we yearn for. Through the art of affirmations, simple yet profound statements of positive intent, we can reprogram our minds, align our vibrations, and magnetize our desires. Number 1. I am grateful for everything I have in my life and excited for what is coming. By acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life right now, you're sending out this positive energy to the universe. And guess what? The universe loves that. It's like a signal that you're open and ready for even more amazing things to come your way. So, keep that gratitude flowing and get pumped up for the awesome stuff heading your direction. Number 2. I am worthy of all the good things that come into my life. Repeat it with confidence. Sometimes we doubt ourselves and think we're not deserving of the good stuff. That kind of thinking holds us back from attracting the awesome things we truly desire. So, it's time to change that mindset. Remind yourself that you are worthy, deserving, and capable of receiving all the wonderful things that life has to offer. Believe it, own it, and watch as the law of attraction starts bringing those amazing things your way. Number 3. I release all fears and doubts, and I step into my personal power. You're about to unleash the superhero within you. By releasing those limiting thoughts, you make space for your true power to shine. Embrace the confidence and strength that resides within you. The law of attraction responds to your boldness and self-assurance. Let go of the worry, kick those doubts to the curb, and step into your personal power. Trust that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Embrace your inner superhero and watch as the universe aligns to support your journey. Number 4. I choose to focus on positive thoughts and attract positive outcomes. When you direct your thoughts towards positivity, you're setting up for success. The law of attraction responds to your vibes, and when you emit positive energy, it attracts positive things right back to you. It's all about shifting your perspective and believing in the good. Number 5. I attract loving and supportive relationships into my life. You deserve to have people around you who uplift and inspire you. When you put out that energy of love and support, the law of attraction works its magic. It brings people into your life who genuinely care and want to see you succeed. So, say goodbye to toxic relationships and make room for the ones that bring out the best in you. Number 6. I am a powerful creator and my dreams are manifesting into reality. When you truly believe in your creative power, amazing things start happening. Dream big and visualize your goals as if they're already happening. Feel the excitement and believe with every fiber of your being that your dreams are coming true. Trust in the process, take inspired action, and watch as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 7. I release the need to compare myself to others and embrace my own unique journey. Your journey is like no one else's. By letting go of the urge to compare, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and self-doubt. Embrace your own path, with all its twists and turns. The law of attraction responds to your self-acceptance and authenticity. Celebrate your uniqueness and focus on your own progress. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and that your journey is unfolding perfectly for you. Embrace your individuality, honor your own growth, and watch as the universe aligns to support your unique desires. Number 8. I am the master of my thoughts, and I choose to focus on abundance. You've got the power to steer your mind in the right direction. When you consciously choose to focus on abundance, you're inviting more of it into your life. It's like opening the floodgates of opportunity. Ditch those scarcity thoughts and embrace a mindset of abundance. Believe that there's more than enough to go around for everyone, including you. Number 9. I am excited for the future. When you approach the future with excitement and positivity, you're actually attracting amazing things into your life. The law of attraction loves that kind of vibe. It's like sending out a signal to the universe that you're open and ready for all the incredible opportunities coming your way. Embrace the unknown and get pumped up for the adventure ahead. Your positive anticipation will set the stage for an amazing future filled with joy, growth, and success. Number 10. I am grateful for all the lessons and growth opportunities that come my way. Life is full of ups and downs, and each experience holds valuable lessons. When you approach them with gratitude, you open yourself up to even more growth and abundance. Embrace the idea that challenges are actually opportunities for personal development. By being grateful for these lessons, you attract more positive experiences into your life. Let go of resentment or frustration, and instead, appreciate the growth that comes with every experience. The law of attraction responds to your gratitude and brings forth even more reasons to be grateful. Embrace the journey, learn from it, and watch as your life transforms in beautiful ways. Keep that gratitude flowing. Number 11. I believe in my capacity to achieve greatness. You've got some serious potential. When you truly believe in yourself and your abilities, amazing things start to happen. The law of attraction responds to unwavering self-belief and sets the stage for your success. So, let go of any self-doubt and embrace your unique talents. Know that you are capable of achieving greatness in whatever you set your mind to. With your belief as the fuel, take inspired action and watch as the universe aligns to support your path to greatness. Number 12. I release any limitations or beliefs that no longer serve me, and I embrace my unlimited potential. You're about to break free from any self-imposed barriers holding you back. It's time to let go of those limiting beliefs and step into your power. By releasing the old, you make room for the new and exciting things that await you. Embrace the fact that you have limitless potential within you. Believe in your abilities, trust in your journey, and know that you are capable of achieving whatever you set your mind to. Remember this, you are the creator of your reality. By embracing the principles of the law of attraction and infusing your life with positive affirmations, you unlock the door to an abundance and fulfillment. Trust in the process, remain aligned with your desires, and take action. Embrace the magic that lies within you, and watch as your dreams manifest into reality. Go forth, dream big, and attract the life you truly deserve. The power is within you,